Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to pass Stripe fees to a customer to pay. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, to be aware, Stripe fees are a percentage of the transaction amount, 2.9% plus fixed fee of $03 for the cards and wallets. It means that if you're selling a product of $100, you will charge the customer $100 plus $2.9 plus $03 as fees. So let's go to Stripe and set this up. First of all, go to your dashboard, click create and then click invoice. Select your customer here. Make sure to choose your currency, your product, click save. And as you can see here, add tax manually. Click create a new tax rate. Select the type, custom. Type customer fees. You can leave the region and in the rate type 2.9%. Include tax in price. Leave it as no and then click add tax rate. As you can see here, a fee of 2.9% on the $200 product was applied. The result is $5.8 or euros here. Okay, now how to add the fixed price rate, the $0.3. So go to items, go to edit, go to price, and then click add new price. You can add it here manually like that and then click save. As you can see here, it's added successfully. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.